beautiful Tuesday morning. It's snowing. It's Tuesday in Seattle and it's 30 degrees. Well, right now it's 8:54. I wanted to show you an update of the clematis. I put it in this pot here. Oh, it's cold. I hope it's not going to be damaged. But I pruned it a lot. Let's see. Oh my goodness, is this gonna die? I don't remember having, well, yes, it did snow 1 year in February, I can recall. Is this gonna die? Oh my goodness. I hope it's gonna be okay. Let me know how your clematis is doing. Well, I attach it to this. I put these stakes in here. This is like fencing stakes. And I attached this trellis to it with, you can see, 2 zip ties. I couldn't find any black zip ties. So just the 2, and so far it's held it up. See how this is the bottom of the trellis. And it's just sitting on top of here and leaning on. So, I'll give you an update in another week or 2 and see if how's the growth and see if it's dying. Watching. Today's a very busy day for crate training. I think it's day 5 or 6.